What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this quick video we're gonna learn how to upload a custom thumbnail on your YouTube video. So let's get started. First, open youtube.com on your favorite browser. Now click on the camera icon and then click on upload video. This window will pop up. Drag and drop your video that you want to upload on YouTube over here. After that, type in your title and description and then scroll down. You'll see this box that says upload thumbnail. Click on it and then this window will pop up. Now select your thumbnail and click open. Now it will upload your thumbnail automatically. After that, click on next. Now fill in other requirements of your video like end screen or info cards and then click on next and then save your video. Custom thumbnail has successfully been uploaded. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.